Oh hi, didn't see you there. Let me tell you about our great range of technical sleeping bags we've got here at Taunton Leisure. Representing classic British design, you can find plenty from RAB, Mountain Equipment. How about Sea to Summit, the plucky brand from Down Under? Or maybe you want true American freedom. Take a look at Thermarest. Fit is really important when it comes to sleeping bags, so Taunton Leisure carries them in long, wide, ladies, all the fits, for each type of person. The reality is, which sleeping bag you choose comes down to which activity it is you're going to be doing. Whether that be the Great Glen Wave, for example, winter camping in the Cairngorms, or maybe an ultralight marathon in the summer. Taunton Leisure have the right sleeping bag for you, so why don't you come to store or have a browse online and see what we can do at the best competitive prices.